Hello, my name is Christos. Welcome to the Giving Bartender Home Edition. Today we're gonna make a Rum Old Fashioned. Let's go. So for the Rum Old Fashioned, we're gonna need simple sugar syrup. We're gonna use it means 1:1, okay, ratio water to sugar. There you go. For bitters, I'm gonna use chocolate and lavender. I really like the combination between the two of them. I'm gonna use the 7 cents chocolate and the 7 cents lavender. They do use an atomizer for most of them, if not all of the bitters. I really like this because you can actually spray on top of your drink directly in the mixing glass, or like aromatize your drink afterwards. So for every 2 sprays, it's a dash. So we're gonna do 2 dashes of the chocolate bitter, and we're gonna do 1 dash of the lavender. For rum, I'm gonna go with the Bacardi 8. I want the woody notes and the nutmeg. I want a deeper note, That's why we're gonna go with 8 years. It will give a better feeling to the drink. We're gonna use 60 ml, and we're gonna stir. Excellent. We're gonna take a glass, a nice chunk of ice. There you go. And pour our drink. There you go. Last, I want to express the oils from an orange peel on top of the glass of the drink. There you go. I said there you go too much. So that's it, Rum Old Fashioned. Oh yeah, so the chocolate comes first, and then you have in the middle a really nice lavender note. Yeah, on the second zip, the rum really comes up. So that's the Rum Old Fashioned. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.